What kind of lighting do you like? In this video, we compare different directional types of lighting using a softbox, such as frontal lighting, side lighting, and semi-backlighting. Please watch to the end and comment which light you prefer. First, we set up a softbox called Speedbox 70 for a flash called Comet B360. At first, we try aiming the light from above in front of the subject. The light and the subject are about 1.5 meters apart. Because it is lighting from the front, it looks cool. Also, with this type of lighting, we can clearly see each of the facial parts like the eyes, nose, and mouth. When your subject is wearing makeup, lighting from the front will make the makeup look good. Next, we want to add a three-dimensional sense to the face. We direct the light diagonally from the right. In this case, we want the light to be softer, so we will place the light as close as possible to the subject. This is nice too. Since we brought the light to the right side, the left side of the face has some shadows creating three-dimensional feel. Next, we want the photo to have even more of a three-dimensional look, so we'll bring the light more to the right side. In the same way as before, try to get the light as close as possible to the subject. There's a three-dimensional feel as well as a contrast. The background has fallen away and the photo looks cool. I like this photo more than I expected to. Lastly, we move the light to the back left of the subject and direct a bit of a half backlighting. We use a white reflector board in the front to bounce the light of the flash. There's an edge light and a soft light diagonally from the left hits the face. It's a very lovely light. Each light direction has its own characteristic. The lighting will change depending on whether you want a cool or beautiful image, or if you want to show a beautifully make-up face. Personally, I like the light from the right side and the half backlighting best. How about you all?